Let me pull him out. Get him on the ground. Get him on the ground. Sir. Pulse.
What's his medical history?
I don't know.
They just picked him up 10 minutes ago.
You just picked him up?
Yeah, he's like, I need some money. Can you put me to work? And I said, yeah.
He's got a pulse. He's breathing, so.
Can you grab gloves?
He's not breathing. I don't know if drug related. Give me a flashlight. I can't see his eyes. Yeah, they're pinpoint. Go left nostril. I-6 Narcan deployed in the left nostril.
Use mine?
Excuse me?
Use mine?
No, it's just the one.
This one?
14, 15. They might get here before
No,
you.
it doesn't go there. It's right there.
Go ahead, try to put it on them. There you go. There we go, hold on. All right, take it off. Got a pulse, barely breathing. You just sort of take a breath. His eyes are in one. There he is, 3 minutes.